So we got the frame all done. We're waiting on the new tires today so we can paint the rims and get those put together. All new brakes, brake lines, bushing, shims, everything. New radiator. That way they don't have any cooling problems. Everything looks all professional and nice. Brakes are bled, brand new shocks. It steers nice, stops nice, everything like that. New motor, and then, rebuilt motor. And then new clutch, bearings, throwout bearings, you know, all the little bushings and everything in the transmission. Getting that all put together. And then we got the drag car in here, getting that thing painted, getting the body prepped on that. Caleb's been working his ass off on that thing, getting all the stickers and everything pulled off, getting it sanded and prepped. Jason's been standing around with his thumb in his ass. You done anything today?
Piss off.
God, you're grouchy.
I pissed off the wall.
And then
Multitask.
Jay's been putting Clecos in the Jeep body, getting it all prepped and ready so we can get the new panels on, new floor, and then these are getting all fixed, repaired, the side panels and whatever. And this is the original cowl off this thing. That way, you know, the customer gets a Jeep back that's hers and not a million new pieces. It's turning out nice. Body should be done by tomorrow. See what happens. Caleb's pulling this piece of crap apart, pulling the motor, transmission, rear end, and you sound real good this morning. What the hell? But he's getting the doors, fenders, hood, all this stuff pulled off this thing. Motor and tranny should be out hopefully today, if he hurries up. But the front clip, like I said, that's coming off, and then the car's going over to the junkyard. So after we get the motor and tranny out of this thing, so this is for the unibody project. The motor and tranny will be rebuilt, so it'll be pretty cool. Busy. I'll try to give some more shop updates as soon as I got time. Got anything to say?
¿Cómo te llamas?
Later.